Hi, so this is a battery-operated wireless doorbell kit. So when the customer buys this kit, in theory it's already paired between the push button and the doorbell. Okay, so if you want to repair it again, first of all, you press the learning button press it and hold it for around 5 seconds until you hear a ding dong sound. So now the system is repaired. So when you push the push button, it won't ring anymore, okay? So once you push the push learning mode button again for around 1 second, you press on this, it'll be automatically paired. If you want to choose another sound, you press it again for the other sound, okay? So sound 1, sound 2. Let's say I want to keep the sound out, the two note sound. I'll let it rest for around 5 to 10 seconds. Then it'll automatically stay there. So it's around, yeah, I think it's around 10 seconds. Let's give it a try. There you go. So now it's paired with that two note sound.